chilling, just chilling. Welcome everybody. We're out here in the usual place, outside in the forest, and yeah, got a little joint rolled up. It's a very cloudy day, so got the dogs. Doubt we're gonna do tree climbing again. Probably just gonna do another ground session. To those of you that followed my old channel, it was mostly just me on the ground, smoking up. And then I started doing tree climbing a bit later on. But yeah, because the trees are going to be a bit wet, thought I'd just come out and film another session. Sadly I can't smoke inside. I would love to do like an inside session, smoke a few bongs, but I can't, it's a bit sketchy for me, so just have to come out here, man. Usually smoke a joint. Could have brought the bong, but mate, I just love a doobie. I'm a doobie man. Even though obviously they don't get you as wrecked. They're much more efficient bongs. Andale, andale. Cheers, amigos. We're gonna be chilling now, gonna smoke a joint. Thank you for tuning in, my friends. Cheers, hombres. We're out here with the pooches, gonna smoke a joint. So, if you're smoking along right now, be sure to leave that like. Let's get stoned, guys. You might not be able to hear me. The wind's pretty strong. I want to sit on that tree stump, but the wind is. You probably won't hear me if I do that. All right, so we got the bifter. Got some nice white bubble gum, or any kind of just some sort of bubble gum in here. He did say white bubble gum, but probably chatting shit. So let me know what you're smoking on. Let me know when you're smoking this. This is a wake and bake for me on Sunday. Sunday Bunday. Cheers, guys. Dropped it. Got the puppy here. He's only like 10 months old, so he's crazy, man. I just had to run like fucking like 300, 400 meters just trying to catch up with him. Thought he was gonna run away from me. You know when dogs just like, you see it in their eyes to go, fuck this human. I can live without. Cheers. As you know, I really appreciate the support, so while we start this video, be sure to leave that like and comment to tell me what you think of the Mighty Spoon show. Do you enjoy it? Do you want to see more? Leave that comment, my friends. Come here. Come here. He's looking at the cloud like, what the fuck? Come over here, boy. Boy. Some guy just walked past. Come here, boy. Wait. Here. Come chill with me, man. This is where I filmed the backward video. So, backwards in the woods. Be sure to check that video out, my friends. That's a good old video. And I apologise for not filming proper videos. Hey. Whoa. Come on. Hey, my friend. You're crazy. Come on. He's being a pain in the arse. So as I was saying, I haven't been editing videos at all, or doing like the normal shit that I'd usually do. Just don't really have the time for it, or the effort. I can't really be fucked, to be honest. It takes too long to upload a video on my computer, edit and all that shit. It just takes too long, man. I will do it soon if you guys want me to. But, oi! Come on, look at him. I'm just trying to get away, he doesn't like me. Yeah, I just prefer just to film a video on my phone, just quickly upload it. I would prefer to film it on my other camera so I could add music to it and whatnot, but fuck it, man. Just a video's a video, you know. Right, I'm gonna end it here. It's a bit sketchy. Everyone's walking their dogs on a Sunday. But we've come out to a nice spot to film a video, and I hope you've enjoyed. No tree climbing because of the shit weather, but when the year comes round it starts to get a bit hotter and shit. We'll be doing loads of tree climbing. So thank you, my friends. Sunday Bunday. Hope you're all bunning on a Sunday. If you're not bunning, that's good. It's probably good for you, man. Be sure to get out. Don't get too stoned and just stay indoors all day. Be sure to get out. Whoa. Right. It's been a bit of a crazy episode. Cheers.